Hey, we're doing something a little bit different today. My ugly ass is not going to cook, but we're going to do a crab boil. I've been wanting to do one of these for a long time. I don't have the equipment. I really don't know how to do it. So some friends of Armadillo Pepper invited us over for this crab boil. I'm hoping I'll learn how to do it. I'll know what to buy so I can do one in the future. I hope you stay with us. So Cody, tell us what we're going to do today.
Alright, today we're going to do a low country boil. And what it's going to consist of is potatoes, corn, crawfish, shrimp, crab legs, and some sausage. And first what you want to do is get your water, big whatever size pot, and you fill it about 3/4 of the way. And you put your seasonings in it first, you put your potatoes in there, and you bring it to a boil. And once you bring it to a boil, you put your crawfish in, let it cook for about 15 minutes on a boil. Then you shut your fire off, and once you shut your fire off, you take and put your crab legs, your shrimp, and your sausage and your corn in there, and you cover it up and let it go for about 15 more minutes, and by that time everything's cooked. And then you can take and pull it out, strain it, dump it on a table, and enjoy.
I'm looking forward to it, man. Thank you. So these crawdads, or crawfish, whatever you want to call them, you know, they live in the mud. So what they're doing here is soaking them in fresh water, and this is what they call purging. And I guess it gets all the nasty stuff out of their body. Hey Cody, tell us what you got going here.
Got lemons and onions and a couple of potatoes down there for a crawfish boil, low country boil. I'll put in 8 ounces of Zatarain's shrimp and crab boil in here.
Liquid, huh?
Yep. Gives it a good flavor.
I haven't seen the liquid. I've seen the powder.
Same thing, the powder.
You just like to use both?
Yeah. That's what we've always done. Gives you a lot of good flavor. And then they got 3 sacks of the Zatarain's crab boil in a bag. Put in there also.
What was the last one? This is the crab boil. What was the other one?
This is the last one was the powdered crab boil.
Oh, I see.
And these are the sacks that have seasonings and stuff in there. Put 3 of those in there. So it's 5 pounds of crab, shrimp, or crawfish.
Oh, okay.
So we've got 6 pounds of shrimp, 6 pounds of crawfish, and probably about 3 or 4 pounds of crab, plus corn and paddle.
Now, did that come with your kit when you bought it?
No, I just went and bought this today. But Ace Hardware. So you'll do is bring this to a boil, and then you'll add your crawfish.
How long will that take? Half hour?
It'll take about 20 minutes for it to come to a boil.
Alright.
20-30 minutes or so.
Let me show you what Cody put in here. He's got some of these bags of the crab boil. This crawfish shrimp crab boil. It comes in a box, but it's in a bag. And then you use some of these bottles, right? The Zatarain shrimp and crab boil. This is a concentrate liquid form, so he's got quite a bit of stuff going on here. So it's starting to boil, and Cody's going to put the crawfish in now. Oh yeah!
And we'll let this boil come back to a boil for about 5-10 minutes.
Then what happens? You start putting in some of the other goodies?
Yep, then we'll shut it off and put the other stuff in.
Okay, what's going on, Cody?
I'm I'll turn the fire off to it. Now I'm gonna add the shrimp and the crab to it. A little bit of corn.
Why is he doing that?
Can you eat those crawfish now, or do they still have to cook more?
You could now, but they won't be very tasty. They won't soak up the seasoning yet.
Now, those Mayport shrimp?
Yes, these are fresh Mayport shrimp.
Oh, yummy.
6 pounds of shrimp.
So you turn the fire off, right?
Yep, I turned the fire off. There's no more fire to it. The water is hot enough, and the shrimp don't need too long to cook. So the shrimp and the corn and the crab I'm fixing to put in will cook with it just being as hot as it is now. Crab.
Oh, yeah. You guys don't like crab, do you?
Make sure you leave some for Tristan, because he will. That's his jam. That and oysters, but we didn't do oysters this time. You asked him his favorite.
So how long, you're going to put the lid on, I guess, right?
Yep, we'll put the lid back on it for about 15-20 minutes. And then when that time is up.
And then how long do you estimate that crawfish boil?
Crawfish boils for about 10 minutes, and then I shut the fire off to it. While water's still hot, the shrimp doesn't need long to cook. Or from when the water's boiling till when you're done, about half hour, 45 minutes. The longest part is waiting for the water to boil, depending on how much water you have in there. The more water you got, the longer it takes to boil. So. Oop, something fell off. And there you go.
Now, suck the head. Try that. Oh, I don't know about it's nothing but flavor. Then you have to take off like the first two little guys right here.
Yes, I remember.
Okay.
Whoa. Whoa.
And then you pull that out, and you have the meat. And then you just
suck the head.
Yep.
All right, man. Cody is the man. Cody, how did you learn how to do this? We're getting ready to wrap this video. Tell us.
Well, I got family that was born and raised in Louisiana, part Cajun, and it's my grandmother and my grandfather, and grew up doing it, and they taught me how to do it, and just something I love to do.
Thanks a lot, Cody. It's awesome, and I'm glad I didn't have to cook today.
Yeah.